Hello, everybody. I hope you're excited to hear one of the most amazing, mysterious, incredible, and most joyful story ever. And of course, I am here to satisfy your imagination with this beautiful story. I believe most of you have heard of the beautiful Rapunzel, isn't it? Then we shall begin.
Oh God, what an awkward situation. Having to come here every month, sweating and smelly from having to climb up this hill just to have myself given a lonely magical beauty treatment. But well, it's just as they say, beauty costs. Oh my God, the guards of the kingdom. I must leave before they see me.
Look, we found the magical flower. Let's take it to the castle so that the queen is saved.
But the ambition and vanity of Mother Gothel was nothing to be ignored.
Oh, those evil potato heads stole my beautiful flower, and now I can be young and beautiful when I need it. But I shall have my revenge. Oh, yes, I will. What a beautiful baby. I will not only steal her powers, but I will steal her so that the king and queen suffer. Come on, Rapunzel. I want you to see this. I'm coming, Mommy. Oh my God, what a beautiful tower! Who lives there? We live there, Clumsy. This will be our home. I just bought it from eBay. Don't you think it's lovely? Mom, what's eBay? Oh, whatever. Come, let's go and see it.
Well, today is my 18th birthday. Yay! Now what? Another boring day of cleaning the house without anything exciting to do. Just painting beautiful Picassos like every day because Mom doesn't like Diego Rivera's paintings. Singing while I wash the dishes. Oh, poor myself. Such a shame I can't be like other girls. I'm just a Cinderella sweeping and washing, and my prince, oh my prince. He must have got lost in the woods, that clumsy creature. Oh, whatever.
Oh, poor me. I must have got lost in the goods. How clumsy creature I am. Oh dear, what an elegant tower. I remember seeing one like this on eBay long ago. Such an elegant thing. Such a sweet taste. Let's go and see who lives there. Hello? Is there somebody home?
Who's there? Is it you, Mom?
Well, I don't remember ever having children, and as long as I know, I am a man. So, in the worst of the cases, I should be your dad, but...
Oh, come on, Mom. Stop playing. Clean up. Dinner is ready.
Oh my lord, what a messy hair, and it has split ends. How disgusting, but whatever.
Oh, but what a mistake did Rapunzel commit, since that was not her mom, but a stranger of intentions unknown.
My goodness, what a sweet taste. Who is your decorator?
Dear God, you're not my mother.
Of course not. I'm the prince of the kingdom. Who else shall I be? By the way, you should use Medicasp. You have a bunch of small white dots all over your hair.
Oh, shut up, but tell me, how did you get here?
Oh, I was just walking and suddenly I got lost. Then I found this place.
Just like that? You had a serious problem, man.
What did you expect? I am a clumsy creature.
Oh my goodness. He's so handsome. I shall marry him.
Oh, Rapunzel, let your hair down.
Oh, damn it. It's my mother. If she finds us here, especially you, it will be the most improper situation. Get out of here before she finds you, or she will kill you.
I could mostly like it, but as you may remember, I entered from the window and there is no other way out without your lovely mother noticing me. So you better find a solution quickly because if she finds us, she will kill us both.
Rapunzel, you better come quickly or I will get really angry.
Okay then, get into that closet and do not go out until I tell you.
Oh dear, you are late. I'm not getting any younger waiting for you like that. Look at these wrinkles. I feel like a mature potato. What was that?
Oh, nothing, mother. You may be hallucinating. Come, let me prepare you the most delicious soup ever. Potatoes al pesto.
Rapunzel, I'm afraid I do not believe in you, so I shall. But what is this? Uh-huh. So this is what makes that sound, you liar.
Is that what you believe, Mom?
And it will not be, never.
What did you do? I was going to marry him. You evil woman. How dare you?
Ouch, my sciatica. You clumsy girl. I could have.
Oh, my beautiful prince. Why are you dead? I had a crush on you. A very intense crush.
Psst, psst.
Oh, my dear prince. You're alive.
Is the crazy woman gone? What a relief. She was ugly as a rotten potato. By the way, I heard you had a crush on me. So, will you marry me?
Marry you? What a question. Of course, my horse.
Of course you may be asking, why is the story so quick? What about all the other stuff? But due to the lack of time we had to make little changes. Still, I hope you enjoyed the story. See you later, and remember to come next week for more stories as beautiful as this one.
My dear, I'm leaving for a 3-day travel. Okay, Mom. Bye. Y me solté el cabello, me vestí de reina, me puse tacones.